Well, not too shabby of a spot, huh? On the edge of the Badlands.
The wall and wall.
Well, today is the day. It's repair day here at the Winnebago Factory. So as you guys can see, we have made it to Wall Drugs. It lives up to its reputation. It's huge, a lot going on, very crowded inside. So we stepped into the backyard, but this place is pretty cool. So we will be coming back in the morning. Brittany wants to get a 5-cent coffee. Might as well. We are now headed just a little south of here to actually sleep on the wall of the Badlands. The wall is the nickname that they have given it, but public land, so we'll catch you guys there.
So if you've been following our channel for a while, you know that Neil and I always get magnets wherever we go. And this one says, "Have you dug wall drug?" And this is way more exciting because it's food. We decided to get some fresh donuts. We got chocolate and maple. Those are gonna be, oh my god, I can smell it. It smells so good.
Now on to our camp spot for the evening. Well, not too shabby of a spot, huh? On the edge of the Badlands.
The wall and wall.
So we are, it's about like 5 p.m. or so we're just gonna relax. It's pretty cool though.
Good morning from Badlands National Park. Look at this view behind us. This is pretty spectacular. So come along with us as we check it out.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
Well, we found some animals. Look at them.
Run out in front of me, please.
Look how cute they are.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So we just left the national park and we saw something on the side of the road. It's a giant prairie dog. Wow. And then over here, let me zoom in. Apparently you can feed the prairie dogs peanuts while you're here. So if you want to do that, it's right outside of the Badlands National Park, and here's the store.
Welcome to Iowa.
Well, as you guys have seen, we made it to Iowa. I know we haven't really talked much during this whole video, but we just wanted to show you guys the sights and take you guys along for the ride as we are making our kind of ways towards the Winnebago factory and then Vermont after that. So we are here at the Stenland family farm.
Yep.
They have a really interesting store, so we're going to go in there. But as you can see, pretty nice view behind us.
So probably the one thing that really made us want to come here was their incredible self-serve store. You guys have to see all of the things they have for sale here that they make themselves.
So we have everything from ice cream to pizzas, going down the way to the cheese and the cheese curds, and of course milk. Right there, one of those, that's gonna be my victim. Of course, lots of merch, and then a bunch of little snacks and some canned items. This I'm looking forward to. So what we didn't mention is that they have the pizzas you can buy that they make here, and they have them all ready in there to cook, but they actually include this whole station right here for you to cook your pizza. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Pizza, some ice cream afterwards. It's definitely a cheat night. Money in the box.
That's it. Doesn't want to go in the box.
Hold on, I was gonna fold it one more time.
Boom. Ready to eat our pizza.
Pizza is done. Brittany's cleaning the pizza cutter. So time to eat. Well, today's the day. It's repair day here at the Winnebago factory. We, as you saw in that opening clip, are at the Winnebago factory. Now, this morning, we're over at the visitor center. We're waiting for our name to be called so we can get our rig in and fixed. But I figured, hey, why not? Let's go check out some history of Winnebago. So obviously you can get all your merch, you know, your Winnebago merch here. But look at this behind us. That's cool. All the history, all the old ads, everything. So we're gonna check that out. You guys are gonna have to come to Forest City to check this out for yourself. But it's pretty cool. Well, the visitor center was pretty cool to see. We bought some Ekko hats. It's now a little after 10 a.m. We were in line at 5:30 this morning. 7 they opened the doors. We were the first people in line, but there was a lot of appointments today. We did the walk-in. I think I described that in a previous video, but you can walk in, first come, first serve. We were first, but a lot of appointments, and the Ekkos that actually had appointments are still sitting in the lot over here. So it's not looking good for us getting in.
And the lady at the visitor center said that they're doing a bunch of inventory
and maintenance on the facility, so they're not doing tours. They're kind of playing them, you know, day by day with those. So we're, long story short, thinking we may just head out. And we booked the hotel for 2 nights. That way the cats had, you know, their freedom and able to run around and not worry about the rig. But I think it may be time to head to our next destination. So we decided we're gonna wait until 11, so wait just a little bit, about 50 minutes, 45 minutes. That's when the pizza place opens here. Grab some pizza, and by then, if we don't hear anything, we'll head to our next destination, which we will share with you if that happens.
All right, everybody, we had just gotten comfortable back at the hotel, and we got the call from Winnebago just before 12:30, so we're actually running in to see the tech right now. Stay tuned.
We're back. It's actually, we've been back for a few hours. We've just been watching Netflix, being lazy. They got our rig in, as you guys saw. They pretty much covered everything on our list besides the big, huge recall on the Balmar regulator, second alternator, wiring, whatever that entails. That's actually tomorrow. Yep. So we booked another night tomorrow night here at the hotel, and they're going to keep it overnight because they're going to have it up on a lift tomorrow, and they're going to fix that issue and our stairs. So I guess we'll catch you guys in a few days. We'll probably do a little update tomorrow about what we're getting for a charge right now from the Balmar, so you guys can see, and our DC to DC charger, and then we'll do the final results after once we pick it up. So we'll catch you guys in, I don't know, 12 to 36 hours.
In a quarter mile, turn left to stay on South 4th Street.
Well, everybody, as you can see, we are not at Winnebago, kind of in the middle of a cornfield here. You can see the Ekko's over there, and it's all fixed up. We'll get into that a little bit later when we get to where we're going. But, you see this behind me? Any guesses? Drop it in the comments if you have any guesses where we are. Cornfield in Iowa, in these glasses. Well, if you guessed, we were at the site of the plane crash, or the day that music died, as they say. This is where Buddy Holly, Richie Valens, and the Big Bopper crashed and unfortunately passed away. But they have these glasses here as a memorial. It's really a kind of cool memorial that they did. And where our Ekko is parked is actually a parking area that they've made for people coming and visiting. So, way out here, kind of, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes from Clear Lake, where he actually, well, where they performed their last performance at the ballroom there. So, we were driving by, figured we'd swing, check it out, and show you guys this.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see